Hey everybody, it's Mike with Monkey Fab. We're here with a new product release. Actually re-releasing a old product that's been revamped, and super excited about these new GLS cups. They're ready to go, and what we got is a 12, a 16, and a 20. 12, 16, 20. The 12, you get two of these guys and an extra screen. So you get two, so it's a little bit more expensive than the 16 and the 20, but that's because you're only getting one of the 16 and the 20. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the phone and do this. Should probably get a tripod. But yeah, you get a complete kit with an extra screen, which is always nice in case your screen gets gunked up. They look really good. They screw right on to a small torch, and you can check out my other videos in this page. If you have a question about what size your torch is, you can also order these guys from the drop-down menu with a stubby gas lens kit, which will adapt it to a large torch. So if you have like a number 17, which is pretty common, or you can also order it with a brand new Miller gas lens for your small torch. That's all available in the drop-down menu below. Super excited to have these guys. I hope you guys are too. And let me know if you have any questions.